If you want to join our giveaways, check the description below and take a chance to win.
Bullish Axie Axes cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $82.42 and $179.49 by 2030. Market examiners accept Axes could reach $82.42 by 2025. Bearish Axie market cost expectation for 2022 is $14.65. Axie Axes Introduction. Axie is a computerized pet local area that consolidates the best of blockchain innovation with conventional gaming. The outcome is a tomfoolery and habit-forming game that permits clients to procure true rewards. The idea of virtual pets isn't new. In any case, what makes Axie novel is its utilization of blockchain innovation. This permits players to possess their in-game resources as collectible tokens called Axies. These Axies can be exchanged, reproduced, or utilized fighting against different players. What is Axie Axes? Axie is a computerized pet game that permits clients to raise, train, and battle their Axies, animal-like pets that can be gathered from parts. The game highlights a broad item shop where players can utilize the in-game money, Axes, to buy new parts for their Axies, as well as beauty care products and things to assist with ongoing interaction. There is likewise a battlegrounds mode where players can set their Axies in opposition to one another, thusly based battle. The game was sent off in mid-2018 by Synapse Games and has since seen a consistent expansion in fame. In November 2018, the game presented a significant update called Genesis, which added another world guide, journey framework, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. From that point forward, the game has kept on including new satisfied and includes a customary premise. In the event that you're searching for a tomfoolery and irresistible pet reproduction game with a lot of profundity and replay esteem, make certain to look at Axie. Axie Axes Fundamental Analysis. The group behind Axie is extremely capable and has a demonstrated history in the gaming business. The game has been live for north of 2 years and has an enormous local area of dynamic clients. Axie is one of the most well-known games on the Ethereum blockchain and is reliably one of the top dApps by day-to-day dynamic clients, DAO. The game areas of strength 4 has, with a very much planned economy and various ways for clients to procure income. There are in excess of 500 unmistakable body parts accessible for these Axies, including oceanic, creature, bird, bug, plant, and reptile parts. Axies can have any blend of body parts, making them truly alterable and every now and again phenomenal and extraordinary. Parts from each kind class have 4 separate unique case scales. Normal, intriguing, very interesting, and amazing. Each Axie may just variety a sum of multiple times to deal with a quantity of Axies, not at all like a few other blockchain-based battling and reproducing games. Proprietors of Axes tokens can before long stake their tokens to get steady payouts. Holders of Axes will likewise have to cast a ballot and play to accept their prizes, rather than specific other stakeable resources. Axie Shards. Axie Shards, the environment's own administration token, are another part, Axes. These are utilized to participate in critical administration choices and will give holders a say in how cash from the Axie community treasury is used. Non-fungible token, NFT. Each Axie is a non-fungible token, NFT, with novel characteristics and capacities that can be utilized in 3v3 battle. The triumphant side acquires insight, X, focuses, which are then applied to stepping up an Axie's details or advancing its substantial parts. These Axies can be crossed to make new, unique posterity that can be used or traded on the Axie market. Axie Axes, price predictions. Numerous specialists accept that the Axie cost is ready to detonate sooner rather than later. The justification for this is twofold. First, the hidden blockchain innovation is serious areas of strength 4 very keeps on acquiring in ubiquity. Second, the Axie Group has reliably followed through on their commitments, which has imparted a lot of confidence in the undertaking from financial backers and clients the same. While there are no insurers throughout everyday life or in cryptographic money contributing, all signs highlight large things ahead for Axie. On the off chance that you are searching for a venture with areas of strength for and incredible potential, then, at that point, Axie ought to be on your radar. Axie, Axie's, Price Prediction 2022. Axie, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year, Axie's. The Axie's cost gauge for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $27.47. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $25.64 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Axie is supposed to have a base worth of $21.98. Axie, Axie's, Price Prediction 2023. In 2023, Axie Axie's cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Axie will before long outperform $45.79. Nonetheless, we ought to hold back to check whether the Axie's general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Axie will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $36.63 and a typical exchanging cost of $40.29. Axie, Axie's, Price Prediction 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $64.10 and Axie might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Axie is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $58.61 and a low of $54.94 in 2024. Axie, Axie's, Price Prediction 2025. Assuming Axie effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money lovers, the Axie coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Axie will be green in 2025. The Axie is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $82.42, with a base cost of $73.26 and a typical cost of $76.92. Axie,